Can't see you. Stephanie, where are we?
Hola, we're on getting really weird look. The boat with Donald Duck and the Caballeros.
Oh.
Yes, we were on numero cinco.
Numero 5?
Luckily, I know Espanol that I knew the correct word.
She's really good at Espanol, or else we wouldn't know what row. Oh,
in
there.
Mexico.
Oh, it's blurry.
Okay.
You say Mexico. Say it again.
And they probably don't appreciate me mocking the language right now.
I don't think you're mocking. I think you're speaking beautifully.
I think so too. I'm very multilingual. I
That's
know
true.
English,
Multilingual.
Spanish, and Italian. And lots of things. Okay.
Are you so excited to see your friends in here?
Yes, I haven't seen them yet, but
I
we're
know,
gonna
me
have
neither.
a big reunion in a minute.
In a minute, yeah, here we go. Ah, welcome to Mexico. Oh.
Bianca, don't do that.
Ah, yes. Oh, your friends.
I see one.
Which one's your favorite?
Probably the green one because I hate red.
Good choice. Do you not like Donald?
Oh, he's not really like...
He's not, you don't feel like he's really one of them?
He's not really...
Oh, that's true. Good point. Here we go.
Oh, we have light.
Yes, we have light.
I
Welcome.
like the song. We have 5 minutes more ringlet.
Your ringtone?
I didn't have all those sombreros.
All those sombreros.
Too many sombreros.
Like, these are the people that are giving Stephanie dirty looks. Because of her Espanol. Ah, very exotic.
Band. Mariachi.
Ah, yes. Espanol lesson from Stephanie. Oh, life. Oh my god, it looks like it's a small world in here. Oh, shit. Oh. Yes, the oil.
Party today. Yay.
Oh, shit. Oh, god. Oh, very, it's a small world. Oh, yes.